This trial was evaluating hemp seed. In the first instance, we were looking at the idea of what range of temperature, moisture and time throughput settings were required to produce a quality product. In this first instance, having run the trial on various other types of grains, the evaluation was to look at the quality of the output in the first instance. Here we were just testing the look and feel of the actual seed on its own. The next phase, of course, is to actually soak that seed in water for up to 30 minutes to allow the endosperm to become dampened. This has a gelatinizing effect on the product when it goes through the drying process at a later stage. As you can see here, the Archimedes screw device in the hopper feeds the material directly into the circular fluidized bed process in the KIX machine, and the material is then carried up into a drying chamber where it is held for 5 seconds. This drying chamber can use gas or electrical heating to achieve its process. The central heart and soul of the machine is this centrifugal fluidized bed, where the time within the process is actually determined by this retention plate that sits down to the side of the machine. The retention plate really determines the quality of the output product to a very, very tight degree. The material is then carried by a negative airflow up through the drying chamber, out through the pipe and down through an airlock system, where it drops down into, in this instance, a small bin where we are evaluating the amount of time and residence needed in the machine to give a high quality end product. These settings, once they're determined, are put into the control box, and they can be permanently displayed as a product specific to your particular needs. They can actually give you a very determined output of what the end product will be like on a consistent basis. This is very important in terms of the end product that you may require for your process. We then look at the quality of that product and what it might be feeling like and holding in terms of temperature and moisture when it comes through the process. As you can see, the hemp seed has been broken down quite dramatically into a different feel and product in this particular instance. There are many samples of different types of products that will come from this process, and all of them can be evaluated to suit the end product that you require.